is over. It's the shadow. Check it.
Introducing, seducing your mind, making a run like Walt Stallion. Take Shadow, the one-man battalion. Retaliate, never hesitate to break a home, cause it's either you or him with the hole inside your dome. I am known to be a pain inflictor, 380 chrome in your mouth, get the picture. I hit you like Chavez, the job is well done when I'm through. Why would you even be thinking of stepping to this bald-headed fool on a mission? Putting 619 up on the map, blowing up like Oklahoma, like McVeigh will attack. Moves collapse like the wall of Berlin when I enter. Down to the end of my days I represent the Southern California, home of real soldiers, warriors, down for the brawls, now the coroners, waiting for the call, cause I be the one that is making a call. I'm ready to blast and I'm putting them all in a patch. Now who's the baddest of them all? Everybody in the hood, throw your hands up in the sky, represent where you're from, cause it's stable till I die. It is I, Mr. Shadow on the rise with this gangsta hit. I don't plan to quit till I come up on a grid. Everybody in the hood, throw your hands up in the sky, represent where you're from, cause it's stable till I die. It is I, Mr. Shadow on the rise with this gangsta hit. I don't plan to quit till I come up on a grid. When I flow this, I leave you folks with multiple sclerosis. Shadows on the mic, 619 until my coffin closes. I'm ready to lyrically abuse, leaving folks confused, painful like a bruise, no excuse. I'm devoted to my crime, where to quote it every time I bust a rhyme. Fool, you gotta hold your own in the city I resign. Throw them hands up in the sky, represent where you're from. Bob your head to the beat, move your feet to the drums. Here I come, I'm ready to take on any battle. I'll show you that I rock from San Diego to Seattle. I'm fatal like a rattle, can you handle all this drama? Now I'm in your ghetto, I'm the rapping Jeffrey Dahmer. I'ma give it to you raw, cause the shadow's so notorious. Every battle that I'm in, I'm victorious. To the point of no return, unloading lyrics like a clip, bound to spit like a cobra, so look over your shoulder. Everybody in the hood, throw your hands up in the sky, represent where you're from, cause it's stable till I die. It is I, Mr. Shadow on the rise with this gangsta hit. I don't plan to quit till I come up on a grid. Everybody in the hood, throw your hands up in the sky, represent where you're from, cause it's stable till I die. It is I, Mr. Shadow on the rise with this gangsta hit. I don't plan to quit till I come up on a grid. As I bust through the door and I drop another flow, third verse now in progress. Convicts be the Congress, mobbing ready for the squad and dropping massive bombs, blowing up like landmines, atomic like the dog roof. So watch when I shoot, cause the roof be getting kicked with my lyrics like a boot. When I look behind ya, Shadow be ready to blind ya. Enemies better be ready whenever they diss me, cause I find you. When I'm down for the finest in the states, in the west is where I dwell. Fools with your story straight, I be good like Alexander, my words are holy like Evander. And when I get up on the mic, it's so tight I give them spasms. And perhaps I'm the one that's talking to fools that be talking and yapping. I'm loading and snapping, I'm capping. You know it don't happen whenever the gat is exploding and busting that cap. It's the Shadow with the sickness, leaving you twisted like tornado. Ain't no witnesses like Kato, cause I'm faded. Everybody in the hood, throw your hands up in the sky, represent where you're from, cause it's stable till I die. It is I, Mr. Shadow on the rise with this gangsta hit. I don't plan to quit till I come up on a grid. Everybody in the hood, throw your hands up in the sky, represent where you're from, cause it's stable till I die. It is I, Mr. Shadow on the rise with this gangsta hit. I don't plan to quit till I come up on a grid.
So now you know that I'm still up in the mix. Watch your back, cause I'm right behind you.